Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Emma Davidov and I'm really excited to share something that I've wondered about for a long time with you today. I'm going to be testing out for however long it takes to get a result, the lemon highlight myth. We have all heard it. You can lighten your hair with lemon, but what exactly does it mean? How well does it work? What's the method? Is it damaging? We're gonna figure out all of it. I did a lot of research in preparation for this video, read a lot of testimonials, watched some videos, and I think I did figure out how we are going to get our best result. First things first, we need to make our lemon juice solution, and then we are going to sit out in the sun and watch ourselves get gorgeous. Okay, so I've zoomed this out so you guys can see what I'm getting up to here. I have in front of me 4 lemons I picked from my garden. Some of them are not quite super ripe, so we're gonna see how that turns out. Some of them look a little bit deformed, but they're still really cute. And this one literally looks perfect, and I really just needed to share this because it's like a perfect, beautiful lemon. And I'm very proud of it, even though I did not tend the tree because my family did. Besides the point, we have our 4 lemons. You absolutely do not need to grow them in your own garden. You can get them from wherever the heck you want. From what I've read online, the best result you're gonna get without damaging your hair is to mix 2 parts lemon juice with 1 part leave-in conditioner. I have in front of me my favorite leave-in conditioner. It's priced really well. You can get it at the drugstore. It's from Shea, which is an awesome brand. I love so much of their stuff. Their Manuka honey and yogurt hair mask is superb, and just so much of their line is really, really beautiful, and they have a really cool story. They were founded in 1925. Not sponsored, by the way. I know sometimes I really just sound like I am sponsored because I fall in love with products and brands, but don't get me wrong, I can be harsh too. We shall see when we get to the product reviews, but that is so away from what I'm talking about right now, so let's get back to the point, which is that the 100% virgin coconut oil leave-in treatment with coconut milk and Senegal is amazing. It detangles, it reduces frizz, and it's for all dang hair types, and it's free of all that bad stuff you don't want. No sulfates, no parabens, no phthalates, no mineral oil, no animal testing, and no petroleum. What more could you want, ladies and gents? And from the drugstore. You can get this at CVS. See it. That's weird. I don't know how to do that. So what I'm going to do is mix 1 part this, 2 parts lemon juice. In front of me I have a cutting board, my 4 lemons, a juicer. If you're going to get one of these, it's good to get the bigger ones because you can fit a whole half lemon in it. My little Pyrex measuring cup, and a nice little empty spray bottle. So let's get working. We're gonna start with this really big guy. This guy might even be too big for the juicer, but that's okay. Yep, this guy's totally gonna be too big for the juicer. That's fine, we're gonna make a little mess. Come on, be juicy. Please. So far we have no juice coming out. You're doing great, kids. You would think with all the I make, I'd be good at this by now. This is an hard workout. Strong, independent woman. That's okay. We know this lemon is tough, particularly. You'll see. The other lemons will be easier, right? Ooh, that was beautiful. That's a squeezed lemon. Would that be like a good thumbnail? When life gives you lemons, highlight your hair. Okay, so my camera died once again, but that's fine. So now that I've finished juicing our lemons, we've got all this good juice, and it came out to almost half a cup. So we're gonna do about a 1/4 cup of this stuff. I dropped it. Moving on. We're gonna pour our lemon juice in our guy here. Yummy. It smells really good. And then we're gonna pour almost a quarter a cup of this. Perfect. I really don't want to lose the rest of it that's stuck in here, but that might just be what's happening. Can I get it out? Let's try to really get every last little bit. I'm really done because I love it. Okay, I'm being extra. Let's put her on. Shake it all together. It's like a shake weight. Double arm workout. Should do the other side now. Should I do workout videos, guys? I could do a stretching video. I'm very flexible. That sounded like a sexual innuendo. I could do a stretching video because I dance and I am flexible for theater reasons. I was gonna say professional reasons, and that also sounded dirty. It is what it is. Boom. Okay, so we've got this nice sort of milky yellow color going on in here. I don't know if you can see. It looks great. Smells like coconut, smells like lemon. I'm gonna spray it all over my head. Why don't I bring you guys in so you can get a little bit of a closer look. Okay, so now that we're scooched in a little closer, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the solution. Hair focusing on the roots. Here goes nothing. Ooh, does she want to spray? This could be an issue. Ha ha ha, maybe I just need to twist it. Oh, there we go. It's kind of coming out in a single stream, so I'm hoping that I can get kind of a large stream of stuff coming out. Yep, that was for real spray. Okay, now that we've gotten that out of the way, let's get to applying it. This is definitely not quite applying the way that I'd like. I think if I were to do this again, I would definitely get a better spray bottle. I'm gonna try applying it to my hand and working it through my hair. It's certainly adding a lot of contrast between the ends and the roots, but hopefully it will alleviate it in the end. I'm gonna focus also on the back because I find that just because of the way I expose my hair to the sun, the back of my hair tends to be a little bit darker. I really hope this works out. If it does, it could be a really great, affordable alternative to heading to the salon and maybe also a little bit of fun. It also could be the only option right now while we're all following social distancing, which I really hope everybody is. All right, so I'm gonna go sit out in the sun and let the lemon juice develop my hair. I'll be documenting my progress throughout the week with pictures and videos to let you guys know exactly how it goes. Hey guys, it is day 3. It's going really well so far. I'm currently chilling out on a patch of grass just like by a water tower because I couldn't find anywhere else that was open and that was also empty of people because you know we are social distancing. Just to show you how it's looking so far, it's definitely a little crunchy and there's contrast purely because it is wet, but I do feel like it's getting a little lighter and that the roots are looking a little better. So I will keep you guys updated on how it is going. So it is day 5 and it's going really well so far. I'm currently ducking in the shade just so I don't go blind while I film this. But I'll show you guys how it is looking. We definitely still have that crunchy thing going on, like hard as a rock. But other than that, I feel like it's kind of wearable. Like I just kind of have messy beach hair. Like I can chill with it. I can dig it. Okay, so it's day 5. I'm currently sitting in my jammies outside. I decided to cover myself up because I have been getting really sunburned even though I've been using sun protection because that's just the kind of skin I have. Remember to keep that in mind if you're going to be using the sun for anything or sitting in the sun for any long period of time. I know I've already said that, but sun protection sometimes just isn't enough. Cover up when you need to. It's really just not worth it to get skin cancer for a tan or for highlights or for anything, period, obviously. Okay, so I applied the color a little bit differently today because I wanted it to evenly distribute. I applied it not only on my natural part, which is what I normally do, but I parted my hair a different way and applied it to the edges of my hair like this so that when I pulled my hair back, it would also be lightened. I did notice that I was seeing results on my natural part, but when I put my hair back, it was looking a little rough. I do think it's going pretty well. I got a compliment today on my hair from my stepmom, so that's promising. Sorry about all the car noises also because we're on the front porch. We would be on the back porch, but the sun just wasn't hitting us that way. It's day 6 now and things are moving along. I feel like you can almost see that the color is better even with the lemon juice in, which is definite progress because usually the lemon juice creates contrast in itself and you can't see the progress, so we love that. I will see you guys pretty soon. We're almost done. Alright, so I'm back with my final results for the lemon lightening. I have a lot of thoughts. I have a lot of things that I would do differently, things that I did do differently since the beginning of this little experiment. I'm wearing this top because it is lemon colored and I just thought it would be fitting. First things first, I changed how I applied it. I got a different bottle, this one here, which I got on Amazon. I will link it below. The other bottle was giving me a lot of problems with application because it was coming out in a single stream and it was being really concentrated in certain parts of my hair. So if it was to lighten it, it was going to be in sort of weird streaks. So I got this. This comes out in a nice fine mist so that the solution can be dispersed evenly among your hair. We should just watch how it looks because it's really satisfying. I really hope you can see that because now the table is sticky. I will say that I don't necessarily agree that it gives you cute beachy hair. As you could tell in my little vlogs, it made it really crunchy. When I had it in braids, it could be kind of cute, and I can see you definitely wearing this at the beach if your hair is already going to be getting wet, but I definitely wouldn't recommend it just for a day that you're going to happen to be in the sun if you want to look cute. Overall, I'm pretty happy with the results. I'll show you the before photos and the after photos right next to each other so you can see the difference. It definitely didn't fix my roots completely. I'd still like a trip to the salon, but it did lessen the contrast quite a bit so that it's a nice little bit of ombre rather than sort of streaks of highlights. We can just take a little look at how it is now. If you look at the top of my hair, it is obviously still darker, and I did straighten my hair for the purpose of you being able to see it clearer because a curl, fun fact, can really, really hide your roots. The texture changes a lot. But if you see here, it's pretty nice overall. Like, I would not be embarrassed to wear straight hair right now. I think it looks okay. I do think that if it had been a little bit more potent, maybe more lemon juice and a little bit less leave-in conditioner, then maybe the results would have been a little more intense. I just wanted to opt on the safe side so that my hair would still be healthy. I have been reading up on other ways you can lighten your hair, such as chamomile and other citrus fruits, so if you guys want to see me try those methods, I am happy to. Leave it in the comments below. I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, ring the bell. You can choose some videos, you can choose all videos, you can do whatever you want to do. I really hope you come back and hang out with me some more. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. I got these 2 lemons so I could pose for a thumbnail, and they're really tiny. Look, they could be like really big earrings or really small juggling balls. That did not work well at all. Is this cool? Is this funny? Is this how content works?